Hello students, this is Varun. In previous video of rational numbers, we studied about the properties of rational numbers. We studied closure property, commutative property, associative property, then after we did distributive property. Then we studied about identity elements. Then after we did additive inverse and multiplicative inverse. And today we will use the properties of rational numbers to simplify the given expressions. We have to solve this using properties. And the expression is minus 2 upon 3 multiplied by 3 upon 5 plus 5 upon 2 minus 3 upon 5 multiplied by 1 over 6. So to start with, let us write the expression first. It is minus 2 upon 3 multiplied by 3 upon 5 plus 5 upon 2 minus 3 upon 5 multiplied by 1 over 6. As we can see that these two terms, this term and this term, they have 3 upon 5 as the common element. And using distributive property, we can take 3 upon 5 common. But to take 3 upon 5 common from these two, it is essential that they should be written all together. Means they should be written one after the other. And for that, we are going to interchange the place of these two terms. Means I am going to shift 5 upon 2 over here, and this whole term minus 3 upon 5 multiplied by 1 over 6 over here. And whenever we interchange the places like this, we use commutative property. So using commutative property, I am going to interchange the places of these two terms. First term will remain as it is, minus 2 upon 3 multiplied by 3 upon 5 minus 3 upon 5 multiplied by 1 over 6. I am going to shift over here, minus 3 upon 5 multiplied by 1 over 6 and plus 5 upon 2 over here. Since we have used commutative property, so we have to mention this that by using commutativity. Now, since these two terms are written all together, so we can take 3 upon 5 common from these two. From this one and from this one, 3 upon 5 can be taken as common. And whenever we take things common, we use distributive property. So we will take 3 upon 5 common, and we have to mention the property that by using distributivity. So from these two, when we take 3 upon 5 common, then what we left inside a bracket? Since 3 upon 5 is common from here as well as from here. So from first term, we left with one negative sign and other is 2 upon 3. So we write minus 2 upon 3 corresponding to first term. Now from second term as well, we have taken 3 upon 5 common. So we left with one negative sign and 1 over 6. Bracket close. Whereas plus 5 upon 2 will remain as it is. Since we have taken 3 upon 5 as common and we have used the distributive property, so we have to mention that. So we mention here by distributivity. Now in next step, 3 upon 5 will remain as it is. Multiply, bracket start. Inside a bracket we have minus 2 upon 3 minus 1 over 6. Now we will simplify this bracket first, and to simplify it we have to take LCM, and the LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. So in denominator we have to mention 6. Now about numerator, 6 divided by 3, that is 2. 2 multiplied by minus 2, minus 4. Then after we have the negative sign. Now LCM divided by denominator, that is 6 divided by 6, we get 1. 1 multiplied by 1, 1. Plus 5 upon 2 will remain as it is. Now in next step, 3 upon 5 as it is, multiply by minus 4 minus 1, that will become minus 5 upon 6, plus 5 upon 2 as it is. This 5 and this 5 will get cancelled. 3 1 the 3, 3 2 the 6. So here we left with this negative sign, that is minus 1, and in denominator it is 2, whereas plus 5 upon 2 will remain as it is. Next, minus 1 upon 2 plus 5 upon 2, it will become 4 upon 2, and 4 divided by 2 is 2. So this is the required solution. This is how we can use the properties of rational numbers to simplify various expressions. Thank you.